Hey, you guys, thank you for stopping by on my page. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and share this video. I'm so excited. I went from a 500 credit score to over 660 all in 30 days, and I want to show you how I did it. You could do it yourself. You don't have to pay anyone to do it. If you're disciplined enough and you have the time and you're patient, just follow me and I'll show you how I did it, and this can happen for you too. All right, you guys, I'm back. Well, I wanted to share with you. Once upon a time, I had a 725 credit score. Life happens, things happen. I filed bankruptcy. I've had student loans just like many people, and it dropped to 500. But the wonderful thing about credit is you can always start over and you can always get it back so that you can get the things that you want. You can clear and fix your credit. And I'm going to show you how I did it. So not too long ago, I woke up and I noticed that 5 items was deleted from my credit report. And it was deleted on all 3 credit bureaus, from all 3 credit bureaus. And all I did was follow a few steps. So first of all, what you need to know and understand is that while we have primary credit bureaus, that's your Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, we also have what's called secondary agencies. And those secondary agencies, they are the ones who actually verify information for your primary agencies. And so I got to understand that if you freeze your accounts with your secondary agencies, they can't verify the information. So when you're disputing, you have 30 days. In 30 days, the 3 credit bureaus will verify that information, and if they can't, they have to delete it. They have to remove it from your credit report. And that's just what I did. I froze those accounts, and those 5 secondary accounts or secondary agencies, that's CoreLogic, SageStream, Innovis, LexisNexis, and ARS. Those are the 5 agencies that you need to freeze your account with them. It's a simple process. It only takes 2 minutes of your time. All you got to do is go on their site. There's a form. It says freeze my account, and you just put in the request. Once you put in the request, they'll send you a letter that says, hey, your account has been frozen until you unfreeze it, which you won't do. And once you receive that letter, then you send your dispute letters. Your dispute letters, it's your 609 letters, which you can find online. It's very simple, and they basically say that, hey, this account is not mine. The account has been reporting inaccurately. And then it has all the verbiage that you need to dispute that the credit bureau have to follow. They have legal terms in there and legal and laws that was put in place to protect both you and your credit report. The information has to be accurate. So with that said, if you freeze those primary accounts and you dispute every single thing, so that means that if you were late 30 days on an account, that's considered derogatory. You want to dispute that. Now, you may have been late, but that doesn't matter. You're disputing it anyway. So they have to verify that you was 30 days late, and if they can't, they will remove it. So, and that goes with everything else that's on your credit report. Listen, I can't wait to see how this works for you. It's still working for me. Of course, I am in the second phase of disputing. I am now at a 662, 664, and 692. Those are my scores, and I'm working. I want to be in the 700 club. So I want you to join me in the 700 club by following those steps and doing the same thing. And if it works for you, leave a comment on the bottom of the page and just say, hey, I was able to do this or not. Share your information with me so that I can go ahead and maybe give you some guidance, and we can see how it works for everyone else. Talk to you soon. Don't forget, share my page.